We should be live. Let's go. Okay, yeah, I see it in my OBS. We're live. LFS part 2, baby. Gotta get my vertical stream going. Start the stream. Let's go, let's go, let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go, baby. If you guys are chatting, I can't see your freaking chats. That's a bit annoying. Hold on. Let me open up my YouTube. Go here. Oh, you guys in here? Why can't I see your messages? No, don't do this to me. Hello, fellow human beings. Hello. Okay, well, oh, that would probably be why. Is this? Oh my god. No, this is set to all. I thought it was just set to Twitch. Okay, for some reason, I cannot see your guys' messages. Your streamer bot. So that is extra cool. Very extra cool, dude. Hold on, let me restart streamer bot. Streamer bot. Bruh, why can't you just pull up the application? Windows search is the worst. Nobody can tell me otherwise. Got it to work finally. Let's go. Okay. 1 second. I just need to restart my my thingy. My streamer bot. Give me 1 second. Where is it? There it is. Where's my streamer bot stored? Okay. In here. Streamer bot. Nope, that's speaker bot. Streamer bot. Streamerbot.exe. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I should probably start Twitch too. Heyo, we're live on Twitch. Let's go. Is streamer bot working now? Chat open. Last LFS stream was 3 weeks. I don't think that's right. 3 weeks ago. Aw? Okay, well, this will work for now. I just have the YouTube stuff in here. Is anyone even on Twitch? No, but I have it up there as an option. Just in case. Okay, so, streamerbot chat window. Capture window. Very cool. Streamerbot chat is not working. Oh, we love that. So I'm not going to be able to freaking see the people in the other stream, the vertical stream. Not going to be able to see their messages unless I can get this streamerbot thing to work. Why does everything hate me like the moment I start to stream? Didn't choose a great time to stream. I know. I've been so busy today. I've been so busy today. It's 11 p.m. where you are. Yeah, it's a bit rough. Oh, what is wrong with streamer bot right now? It's just like not working. Why are you like this? Bruh. Okay, look at this. Hold on. Look at this. It's not supposed to look like that. It's just blank. My streamer bot is blank. I'm a streamer here too. I stream BeamNG Drive. Nice. The game stopped responding, bro. So you're not alone. Yeah. So true. Probably gonna get to sleep after 3 a.m. or so. That's probably good for your brain. I don't know why StreamerBot hates me. I'm gonna try and restart it. Oh man, you guys see the connecting stuff on stream? That's because StreamerBot's broken. Okay, all applications, StreamerBot, StreamerBot exe. What if I run as administrator? Maybe it's just Windows being Windows, you know? Okay, this looks better. There we go. Oh. Oh, okay. There we go. Let's expand that chat, baby. Capture window. When forms be like running random programs as admin, what could go wrong? So true. Yeah, it still doesn't want to work anyway. Very cool. Very, very cool. Well, alrighty then. I guess you're just gonna have to be like that. And then I'm gonna need to open up my vertical stream. You live in Japan? That's so sick, bro. Who even cares about sleep? For real. Okay, so this is kind of this is kind of a little dookie setup, but like, you know, I gotta look at my phone over here to see my my shorts live comments, and then I gotta look over here to see my regular YouTube live comments. Please no Bluetooth mouse this time. Okay, here's the thing. I actually got the Bluetooth mouse to work. I used Blue Z tools, and now look, it worky. It worky, no problem. And I remounted my drive and got back to where I was supposed to be. So, we're good. We're good. I make sure that everything was absolutely good to go in this stream. I made sure that everything was 1,000,000% good to go for this stream. So, yeah. We're all good this time. Yeah. Sorry, the chats aren't going to work today, like at the bottom of the screen, and when I switch to the other screen, this one. Yeah, the chats aren't going to work on the side because StreamerBot chat does not want to work today. StreamerBot itself is working, but the chat is not. And I don't know why. I couldn't tell you why. But, like I said, everything should be a good to go. Oh, that would be why. My Google account is disconnected from StreamerBot. Very cool. What in the KDE? For real. Just add the chat window to OBS for now. Yeah, that's what I did. Okay, now chat should be working, hopefully. That's connected. And then, okay, my Twitch thing is connected. Very cool. There we go. Now it's capturing my YouTube chats. Very cool. Okay, so now I'm gonna exit StreamerBot and I'm gonna try and launch it with regular permissions and see if I can see if it'll work. Just launch it as my user account. Hey, that looks good. Aha. She working now? Okay, let's go. Let's go. StreamerBot chat window, capture window. There we go. Everything's good. Now everything is good to go for this stream. Guys, we finally did it. We got him. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. If you guys haven't yet, please, you already know the drill, leave a like on the stream. That would help quite a lot. Quite a lot. Thank you very much. If you guys are on shorts, the shorts stream, let me know. Say shorts. The rest of you, I'll know who you are. It's working now. Doesn't show the previous messages. Yeah, it'll just start from where I opened it last. But yeah, okay, everything is good now. We should be good enough to just do stuff, not shorts. I don't know why my bot does that, because I have my bot specifically set to not show up in the chat widget down there and on the screen. I have it specifically set to not do that, but it do that, so I don't really know what to do about it. Anyway, let's get on with the thing. Let's do the thing that we're all here for. Okay. Linux kernel needs to expose the API for the systemc, glibc, and LFS to use. Done by way of sanitizing various C header files that are shipped in the Linux kernel source tarball. Make sure there are no stale files embedded in the package. Okay. This is going to be a pain in the ass every time I use a phone. Gboard does everything it can to make my experience as miserable as possible. That sounds like the typical Gboard experience, to be honest. Okay, so does this mean that I have to... I was on the short stream. Bruh. Imagine. Couldn't be me. Just kidding. You guys are on stream, or the short stream. I still love you. So does this mean that I have to be in the Linux API headers folder? Or, I mean, that would probably make the most sense. Linux. Or wait, no, I'd have to extract it first. Never mind. What is it? XVC or XVF? I don't remember. It's XV something, right? XVF? I can barely read. Typical ID10T error enjoyer. I can barely read. That sounds about right. I think it's tar-XVF. Yeah. Oh. Maybe it's just XV. Missing a dash F on. Oh. Does it have to start with F? XVF? Or VFX? No, VFX is virtual effect. V is for verbose, yeah. X is for extract. F for I have zero clue. I don't know what F is. Yeah, I don't know what that one is, but it's missing dash F. Weird. Bro, what? Well, there's that. Okay, it looks like my stream is lagging. I'm just gonna turn Twitch off. We'll see if that helps. Okay, we'll see if it comes back. Just bear with me for right now. It's a little rough right now, but we'll get through it. What's the problem with YouTube? It keeps lagging even though I'm on a nothing phone. It's my internet. I don't know why it's being like this. It says that my bit rate is high, but like I have bad connection. I've literally dropped 0 frames and my connection is bad. I don't know why. Really annoying. I don't even know what the problem is. Bruh. What is the issue, YouTube? Why don't you like me? Bruh, YouTube. You need to be nice to me. Keyboard always twists my words to something not appropriate. It's fine for you. That's weird. I literally have like, because OBS will show it as like, it kind of looks like the signal for like cell signal, and it shows like 1 bar out of 4 and like a red thing. So I don't know. If you guys are in the chat, let me know if stream is fine or not. I mean, it hopefully isn't lagging. Oy, it's getting hot here, dude. Bing bong, bing bong. Hold on, I'm looking how to extract a tar ball for LFS. Yeah, tar-xvf. Should be it. Oh. XVF. Bruh. Oh, wait. Wait. Okay. My connection should be good now. Okay. Yeah, we should be good. We should be good. All right. Everything's fine. Guys, everything's fine. We just won't be streaming on Twitch because who cares about Twitch anyway? Just kidding. Jumping Golem, let's go. Says you were last live on Twitch 2 minutes ago. Did it fall off? Yeah, if you were watching on Twitch, I ended it because it was like ruining my connection. So yeah, I kind of just said screw Twitch because most of my viewers are on YouTube anyway. So sorry if that was you who was on Twitch. Apologies. Okay. CD. Oh yeah, I can't. Okay, wait. So I would have to do tar-xvf, Linux, this thing. There we go. I don't know why it was being so temperamental earlier. Just randomly scrolled into your stream. Oh, okay. Well, hi, welcome. Glad to have you here. Today we'll blame everything on the phone. So true. Never been fed a Linux tuber by just scrolling. Well, you're here now, so enjoy the ride, buddy. I always forget the MR proper, or the MR at the beginning of proper. I'm not really a Linux tuber. I'm more of like a... But I love Linux, so I'm chill here. Let's go. I mean, I like Linux. It's cool, but I'm a Windows user, so make fun of me all that you would like. But I really do find Linux cool. And, oh, guys, guess the frick what? I mean, I've always worked in IT and stuff, but I've never really had to deal with Linux. But guess what, guys? Yesterday, I passed part 2 of my CompTIA A+, and your boy is A+ certified. Let's go. I haven't got my certificate or anything yet, so still pretty cool, though. So we'll go out of there, and then, what is the command again to delete the zip file? I don't remember. My brain is like mush, dude. I've been so busy this weekend. Running Arch with Hyperland, by the way, on my laptop and Mint on my desktop. Let's go. Want to move on to Gentoo after getting it working on a VM. That sounds like a pretty fun project. Linux is pretty cool when you don't have to use KDE. Jeez. Is it just RM to remove a folder? Or what, do I have to do like RMDIR for remove directory? Remove write protected. Oh, whoops. Nope. Nope. Never mind. It's just RM? Yeah, RMDIR is for directories, yeah. So wait, it says remove write protected regular file. So is that what that's what I want to do, right? It's just asking because it's write protected. Okay, yeah, that should be fine then. Okay, we move on to glibc. This is the chunky boy. Create a symbolic link for LSB compliance. Additionally, x8464 or x8664. Yes. Okay. Cool. I already did it, so there was no turning back anyway. Create a compatibility symbolic link required for proper operation of the dynamic library loader. So do I just run this in the sources folder? Because it didn't tell me to go anywhere else. The above command is correct. The ln command has several syntactic versions, so be sure to check blah 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 before reporting. It may appear in the error. Some of the glibc programs use the non-FSH compliant var db directory to store their runtime data. Buddy, I have no idea. I want to create my own build of LFS, but I'm still on my only Gen 2 stage of Linux. That's fair. I mean, you could just be like me and just know enough to get by in Linux and still try and do this shit and just be like, sure, I think I know what I'm doing. Okay, well, I'm going to see if this just runs. Cool. I guess that's fine. Apply the following patch to make sure such programs store their runtime data in FSH-compliant locations. All right. I'm just copy and pasting. Oh. It doesn't like the last one. Can't open patch file. glibc fsh1 patch. No such file directory. Uh-oh. That's not good. Do I have to, like, get out of this folder? Do I have to, like, go back to... Okay, we'll try it from here. Can't open... No such file directory. In the Linux API folder, perhaps? Or glibc? Oh, yeah, I should probably extract glibc. cd LFS. And then cd sources. And then tar dash xvf glibc dot tar xz. Okay. Are you building this in a VM or on a separate computer or server? Because I see Rust Desk installed. I also noticed you're using light mode on KDE, so it seems like you haven't done a lot of configuring on your install. Yeah, it's just I installed it on my laptop, and we tried the Rust Desk to get this kind of setup before because I wanted it on like my main computer because I have it on a laptop over here going through a capture card and everything. But we figured that out the other stream, so yeah, that one's not public because it was a freaking disaster. So yeah, I'm counting this one as part 2 because that other one was awful. The patch for the Linux API headers? Is it? No, this is for dynamic library loaders. Yeah, this is for glibc, non-FSH compliant. Yeah, so it's wanting to... What kind of laptop is it? It is a Surface Laptop 3. You can see it in some of the other videos I did. We've, like, tortured the crap out of that laptop. Okay, so we want to cd into glibc. Triple boot. Yeah, that laptop was fun. Below that one lever. Sorry if the stream's lagging. I don't know why it's lagging. Just stick in here and it should go back to normal. I don't know why it's doing this. My internet is perfectly fine. Yeah. Couldn't tell you why, but it's happening. Okay, so we're in glibc now. Maybe I can run these commands. Copy, paste. There we go. Okay, yeah, it did need to be ran inside of glibc. Video is lagging a bit. The auto quality is there, though. Yeah, my bit rate is going down to like 3,000s. I don't know why. I have it set to like I think like 8 or 10,000. Good luck building it. Thank you. This is the easy part so far. This is the easy part. Come on. I forgot that this mouse has like really bad right click issues, and that's why I got rid of it. Non-short stream is lagging really bad. The shorts one is lagging bad, but not that bad. Yeah, I don't know why. This is so annoying. Because my bit rate is not that high. I don't know why it's being so annoying. Here, let's lower it a little bit. We'll do 8,500 kilobits, which should be 8.5 megabits. So it's not that high. That's why I don't know why it's not freaking. Yeah. Where's the non-short stream? TikTok? No, I'm doing a regular stream, and then I'm doing a short stream as well. I have a mouse that has issues with all the buttons, including the middle button. Yeah, I don't know why it's lagging so bad. YouTube and OBS always just like has their way with my stream every time I try and stream. It's quite annoying. So if you guys just stick in here for a little bit and just deal with it for a second. I hate saying to just deal with it, but I mean, you kind of just have to. But it should figure itself out. I just couldn't tell you why it's being so problematic. During the following stage, this warning might appear. It did not. Okay, now we have to make the package. Sahachari, what's going on? Let's go. That one stream, it was fine. Oh. Interesting. We are making glibc. Okay, we should be good. You guys are still here. Okay, vertical should be up as well. We should be all good. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Are we good? Everything working? Bro, is it still tweaking out? It still says bad connection on my end. Oh my god. You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me, man. How is this possible? The freaking short stream is fantastic. Still says excellent connection somehow. Okay. Are we good now? I restarted my computer and in turn restarted OBS, and then restarted my router. So the question is, are we good? So the thing that I have for like my vertical canvas, actually my vertical canvas, I'm gonna set that to like 6,000 kilobits per second. I'm gonna make that one variable bit rate. So the maximum bit rate it can hit is 6,500. Okay. And it is working much smoother now. Very good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. My camera's having a fit, bro. If it's not one thing, it's the other. Bro, my computer's tweaking. I'm sick and tired of this, brother. I'm sick and tired of this, brother. I said, put that on 0. Jeez. Now stay like that. There we go. Okay. Now let's start the vertical stream. and see if that messes things up. Vertical, we should be back. Okay. Now let's see if it stays like that. Why does streaming suck so bad? I mean, for me it does. It's freaking annoying, dude. Okay. Okay. Everything seems to be fine now. The meaning of the make install option. Streams are more fragile than Windows. So true. I mean, for me, yeah. Okay, we should be good now. Everything should be fine. Everything is fine. Nothing even happened. What are you guys talking about? The destination directory make variable is used by almost all packages to define the location where the package should be installed. If it's not set, if it defaults to the root directory, specify the package is installed in LFS, which will become the root directory in section 7.4. For now, yeah. Fix a hard-coded path to the executable loader in the LDD script. I can do that. Do I get out of this build folder? Doesn't say that I'm not in the build folder. And this is like really not good directions. It says make and then install. Install the package, which I already did. And then do that. Okay, it doesn't say to come out of the directory, so I'm gonna just keep her going. At this point, it is imperative to stop and ensure that the basic functions, compiling and linking, of the new tool chain are working as expected. To perform a sanity check, run the following commands. I can do that. Okay, so don't come out of this directory then. Okay. If everything is working, it should pop out as that, which it popped out as that. Cool. That means everything's working. Guys, I did something right. Wow. We're doing it. Note that for 32-bit machines, it'll be that. Okay. Well, I don't have a 32-bit machine, so it's not that. If it's not shown, blah, blah. Okay, it did, so ignore that. Once all is well, clean up the test file. I can do that. Copy and paste. I did it. Well, the guide is bad because programmers aren't good at making guides, and it assumes you are already comfortable with compiling packages. Now, that's true. Okay, so now we can cd back, and then rm glibc.tarxz. Get rid of that bad boy. Okay, and now we move on. libstdc. Okay, ++ from GCC. Okay, this one's not too much of a chunky boy. Okay, so let's extract that. tar-xvf, and then libstdc. Why is it not autocomplete E++? Oh, is it GCC that I have to do? Okay, that would make more sense. That would make a little more sense. I got it, guys. I got it. We out here. It's in the GCC archive. Yeah. I got it. I figured that out because it said, like, from GCC. So I'm like, okay, I'm looking for the wrong thing. We got there eventually. I gotta make myself look a little stupid at first, or else people will think that I'm too smart. Very nice. And then prepare for compilation. Come on, baby. There we go. No such file. Oh, yeah, duh. I have to freaking... Oh, God. IRM DIR build. Okay. Now we have to CD into GCC. I forgot about that. Okay, now we can run this command for the build folder. Paste. There we go. Now we're in the right place. Now we can run this. Forgot to actually go into the folder. I gotta actually paste the command in there and then do that. Okay. Bing bong, bing bong. And change the GCC directory. Okay, that is what I did. And it says to just create a build folder and then do that. So we are good. Floppa, chill out. It says you should first unpack GCC tarball and change to the GCC directory, which is what I did, and then create a separate build directory and enter it. And then it says to just make a build thing. So we're good. I'm in the build folder. And then I ran this thingy. So we are good. We're good. We got it. We got it. Yeah. Yeah. Muhammad, what's up? Welcome back. I really got to figure out that error bot like double spam thing. It's not even supposed to show in the thing, in the chat widget down there. But guys, do you like the 60 frames per second on the stream, or is it like overkill? I mean, the screen share is not going to be 60 FPS because I'm using a capture card that can only do like 30. But this camera that I got an Elgato face cam, and it can do 1080 60, and I personally like it. And I have my OBS set at 60 frames per second, so it's spamming since it's in shorts and regular. Yeah, I mean, I just need it to be excluded from the chat widget down there. 30's fine. I mean, I thought I was okay with 30, but like 60 is just like, smooth butter. Harmful cross compilation. Okay. There we go. Alrighty. Well, that one was pretty easy. The lower the frame rate, the less the issues. Yeah, I mean, the less bit rate I really need to use, so. Hey, let's go. Chapter 6. This chapter shows how to cross-compile basic utilities using the just build cross tool or cross tool chain. Okay. Utilities are installed into their final location but cannot be used yet. Nevertheless, install libraries are used while linking. Okay. Cool. M4. Okay. So just go back here. Then RM. GCC. Get rid of that tarball folder. Okay. Now we do M4. R-XVF. M4. Is that M4 dash? Okay, there we go. Oh, okay, that one was quick. CD. M4. Oop. Dash. Nice. Everyone is watching this stream do 25 push-ups right now. Shoo! That's a lot of push-ups, bro. I haven't exercised in so long. I'd probably feel like noodle arms after that, to be honest. Also, if this fails, I'll give you the permission to use ALFS. I was thinking about doing that, but I'm like, no, I can't pussy out and just do ALFS. I need to go through LFS first and like get my Linux badge. And then if people try and tell me, oh, you don't know what you're doing, brother, I have my own distro. Just come at them with that and then see how they freaking act. And then we paste. And then we do that. The package is installed. There we go. And then we RM. M4. Get rid of that guy. Yes. Oh, M4 was freaking easy. In curses. What the hell is this? Terminal independent handling of character screens. Oh. Okay. Well, this one should be super quick. It's only 53 megabytes. 0.4 SBU. This is going to be an easy boy. tar-xvf. In curses. Let's go. Go into the folder. Only after you suffer with LFS, you are worthy enough to use ALFS. That's fair. That's really fair. I mean, I wouldn't want to do ALFS if I haven't done this yet. It just seems like the easy way out. It's funny that I see this live when I'm porting Post-Market OS to my old phone. Coincidence? I think not. Well, you know what? You're here now. So now you're stuck. You're not allowed to leave anymore. Okay. So now that that's done, prepare for compilation. Let's freaking do it, my friend. Got him. We're doing the thing. What is this? Compilation. Okay. I was preparing it for compilation. Then we compile and then install. I see. I didn't know it was possible to stream both shorts and full stream format on YouTube. Yeah! I have to have 2 separate streams and all that kind of crap. So it's a little annoying on my end, but I mean, if more people can enjoy the stream in the format that they prefer, then so be it. I will dual stream for those people. But yeah, I think it was my router, because I restarted the router and everything's fine now. So yeah, I mean, that was a little bit of a roller coaster. Props to porting anything to Post-Market OS. I've heard it's a pain in the ass. I have not tried porting anything anywhere, so I wouldn't know anything about that. But kudos to you if you do that kind of stuff, because I know that it can be a pain in the ass. Bash. Bash is up next. I am familiar with Bash. RM. That guy. Okay. Yeah, this section is like brain rot central. It's literally just the same commands over and over again for different packages. And we do this. So I have to change into the directory first. CD, what are we on? Bash. There we go. And pasty in tray. No, I'm not speaking a different language. ISP provided routers sure know how to be gigantic pieces of crap. I have never agreed with anything so hard in my life. I mean, all I have to do is spoof the MAC address on my third-party router and it'll work. I just don't want to go through all the trouble. And it doesn't have enough ports for me, so yeah, I would need a switch, like a small switch, and I don't have one of those, and I don't want to spend money on one. Therefore, I don't have a switch, and I won't have one. I mean, when I have the money for one, I'm going to get one, obviously, because switches are immensely useful. But right now, I don't have one. Nor do I really need one. Okay. Now we can go back. And we can RM bash. Make sure we get that tar file. There we go. For utils. Okay, this one should be pretty quick as well. So tar xvf. For utils. There we go. Right, and then we can cd for utils. And prepare for compilation. Oh, I forgot the dot. Guys, we cannot forget the dot. You can't let me do that. or else everything will go downhill. Should tell him building LFS with a package manager called Scratch Package, and I plan to make an ISO of it. It's going to be called StormFS. Let's go. Currently, we're just using the most basic router ever and a mesh network attached to that. Our router has no Wi-Fi and no web panel. What the heck? Bruh. Yeah, that sounds pretty not great. Wrong button. I'm back. Sorry. Well, glad you're back. Don't hit that button again, or I'll send one of my goons to your house. They'll make sure that you never press that button again. Just for YouTube's sake, that was a joke. Did you guys have your water today? There you go. Now you're hydrated. Doesn't it feel good to be hydrated? I expect a thank you in chat for the water. I'm just kidding. Okay. It's great. It has never in 3 years had to be reset. Now that's crazy. And it's blazing fast. I mean, you can't beat that. I mean, if it works, it works. Since mesh networks are fire. Yeah, that's true. That's so true. Move programs to their final expected locations, although it is not necessary in this temporary environment. Must do so because some programs hard-code executable locations. Makes sense. There we go. Core utils, done. RM, core utils, tar file. Yes, I want it gone. Diff utils. Tar-xvf. Diff utils. There we go. CD diff utils. Prepare for compilation. I'm sorry if this part's boring, guys. This is like brain rot central. Once we get past this, it should be more interesting. Currently have 600 down, 200 up. You got better than me. I'll tell you that. I have the middle of nowhere country yeehaw internet. I mean, it's good enough for what I need, but not the greatest. Copy and paste, copy and paste. That's all this section is copy and paste. 20 euros a month, bro. I wish. The US is so expensive. I pay $75, 75 American US dollars. And I get about 100 down and like 20 up. So, yeah, you got way better than me. We make it work, though. We make it work. We out here. Nice. That one was quick. There we go. We do all that jazz. Holy, dude, I feel bad for you. Didn't know it was that expensive there. Yeah, it's... Don't ever come to the U.S. Ever. It's expensive for no reason. We'll literally have the same thing as another country, and they charge like 5 times the price over here. It's incredibly annoying. Everybody thinks, oh, come to America. Everybody's rich. You'll make money. Not true. Very, very not true. Extremely not true. Kind of wanted to visit a friend in Florida. Oh, buddy. Get ready for an experience. Get ready for an experience. Florida is the no man's land of America. You'll definitely have a time. I've vacationed there a few times. If you stay in the right areas, it's pretty nice, but go in the wrong areas, somebody will shoot you for stepping on their yard. I already know kind of what to expect. Yeah, it's wild. What part of Florida is it? Because I've been to some parts of Florida. I've been to like Pensacola and like the Panhandle area. It's pretty nice over there, like Floribama area. Hey, if anybody else is in chat, feel free to chime in. Feel like you guys are all just little ghost viewers. I mean, that's fine. I usually just lurk whenever I watch streams too, so don't feel too guilty. You're fine. I just kind of want to know who all's here. Like a head count. Back. RM. Find tills. Gotta make sure that I put that tar on the end of it. As a European, I've never seen a gun that hasn't been completely prevented from working. Yeah. Come to America, they'll just give a child a gun. Just be like, hey, you were born. Here's a firearm. Have fun. It's wild. Copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. Unneeded files are not installed. Okay, yeah. That's good then. We prepare for compilation. Every gun I've seen has been in some kind of museum. I have fired some firearms when I was a kid. They're fun. I mean, if you use them responsibly. Like at a firing range or at a designated area with responsible people. It's fun. But yeah, it's just kind of like the unrestricted access is a little scary for me personally. I mean, it's restricted to a point, but I don't want to get too political, but in my opinion, it's not strong enough. Okay, we're just flying through these tools, bro. Let's go. Love how everyone can just get a gun permit by just saying it's for self-defense. That's what everybody says. It's insane. Absolutely insane. I'm just waiting for somebody to come in here. Well, this is why blah blah blah. They blah blah. I just okay, buddy. But yeah, those are my opinions. Whether they should be on the internet is another thing, but oh well. I don't really care what you think about what I think. Because I will keep thinking what I think, despite what you think. Big brain. I love guns. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it as long as you're a responsible person. RM rep. Sure, that's the tar file. Again, I almost deleted that and need to redo all that. Installation of gzip. Okay, Mr. gzip. Man, these are all freaking tiny. Copy. Make sure I CD into gzip. There she goes. Yeah, all these are just like configure, make, install. Heck yeah, I'm responsible. Let's go. We love responsibility around here. Yeah, I wish that there This is probably what they made ALFS for, is because of all this crap. It just takes so long. It's just like the same thing over and over. Paste, copy, paste, enter, copy, paste, enter. RM, gzip, dot tar. Okay, next is make. Yeah, all these are freaking tiny. Make. CD, make. And then we prepare. Make. We make. Bruh. Why you gotta be like that? It says Control-Shift-V, but when I do that, it puts the freaking tildes and crap in there. That is quite annoying. RM, make, tar. Yes, I want to get rid of it. Closest thing to a gun I've used so far has been a crossbow. That sounds pretty sick. I don't think I've ever used a crossbow. Okay. Yeah, okay. I got rid of the tar file. So we don't need it no more. We don't freaking need it, dude. R-XVF. Patch. CD patch. Copy. Paste. Enter. Why are all these so tiny? Oh, these are temporary tools. That's why they're so tiny. Never mind. I see. We're cross-compiling all the temporary tools. It even said it right at the top. I'm just being stinky brain. rm patch.r. Let's freaking go, dude. Yes, I want to get rid of it. Said? Who said what, bruh? tar-xvf said. Yes, sir. CD into that, boy. We paste. Very nice. A lot of this stuff is like, why would you not use ALFS? Now I get why people use it. Ugh. Oh, there we go. It worked that time. Okay. RM. Said. Oop, not a comma. That's what we want to do. Tar. We have to use tar to extract tar. Yeah. There should be. Tar 1.35. Then we paste. Then once this is done in 20 billion years. Okay, there we go. Make. And then drum roll, please. Okay, there we go. Install. Okay. How many more of these do we got left? Okay, remember that we're on tar. Okay, cool. We just got a few more left. Ugh, thank God. I'm getting so tired of this. XZ. Only a little bit of brain rot left. Oops, XZ. Not the other way around. This one's slightly chunkier than the other ones, but still very small. Whoa. This one's going crazy, bro. Did you see Linus's new toy? The fire truck? The actual real fire truck? Yes, I did. As ridiculous. Okay, back RM Z. Sure, get that tar file. And this one should be the last one. Oh, this is past 2 for Ben utils. Okay. Relies on ship lib tool copy to link against internal static libraries. Okay. Work around this issue. Okay, so should I... Do I have to do Ben utils again? Okay. CD Ben utils. Gotta go sleep. Good night. Hope you have a great rest of the night. Catch up. What's up? When do you think Kernel 7.0 will be out? I have no idea. I have no idea. After this, you should do a Windows XP compilation or NT4 compilation stream. Oh, Jesus Christ. No thanks. I think after this, I'm good. Might do like Gen 2. Gen 2 sounds fun. Bet it'll be 2026. I haven't really looked into that. Trust me, it'll be fun. Actually, yeah, that might actually be fun because I know a lot more about Windows than I do this, so I can actually probably know what I'm doing most of the time. So yeah, that actually might be a little bit more fun. Who knows? Plus, it's more content. I'm always okay with more content. Uh-oh. See errors. Uh-oh. Did I do something bad? You have to hunt down an ancient version of MSVC. Oh, God. I'm definitely looking forward to that. Okay. All these were errors. Uh-oh. You just copied something for no reason. Well, this is the second pass. I mean, okay, I'm gonna try again. Okay, that seemed to work fine. Okay. Not Nake, I need Make. Okay, Make was the one with the issues. That's not great. It'll be much harder. Well. Oh well. I'm down for it. I'm down for it. Make dist clean. Is that what I have to... Is that the command that I have to run in the build folder? Like that? Hopefully. I've never ran into this issue. It says, changes, run, make disk clean. Oh, I see. Or rm config cache to start over. CC has changed since the previous run, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Error ignored. After that run, reconfigure and make. Okay. Should I run this? The rmconfig.cache? After that run the reconfigure. Okay, yeah, so I should get rid of that then. Okay, well, I guess it wasn't there in the first place. Okay. We reconfigure then. Come on. Okay. Okay, there it goes. Yeah, creating make file. Okay, cool. Please work. Error. Fantastic. I don't know why. I've already compiled bin utils. It says pass 2. Is that why? Because it's already I don't know, man. Lib ivrd and zlib copy shift package do not use libtool. May cause produced binaries mistakenly linked against libraries from the host distro. To work around this issue, do this. I already did that though. You someday need to do a Linux experiment with a non-shitty distro. That's true. Okay, let's see. Let's cd out of here and let's rmdir. Well, no, I can't get rid of bin utils because it's already been compiled once, so I can't do that. That's great. Cd build. I mean, I guess we can make this clean. See, it's saying that it's being ignored. rm/r and redo everything. Oh, God. No, thank you. No rule to make target disk clean -host. What does any of this even mean, dude? Oh, sorry. I'm so tired today. Dude, like, this is like alien language, bro. Make file status config, blah, blah, blah. Like, what does this mean? It's like the forbidden script. What the frick? I mean, it's like if-else statements. I can see that much, but what do it mean? Mason, what do the numbers mean? Okay, so what is it actually ignoring? Make file 2451 local disk clean error 1 2452 2228. I don't do disk clean error 2 3 4 5. What? So AM, it's 12:38 AM. Bruh. I'd be in bed by now. Entering directory, leaving directory. What? Oh, sorry, guys. I'm not bored. I'm just so tired today. Fun fact, I am in bed. Bro, it's like 5:30 over here. Sure you can already see from the clock down in the corner over here. Okay, so this is not great. Try running this again. LT main sh no such file directory. Okay, so that worked. That thing does not exist anymore. Oh wait, no, we have to go up one because the build folder didn't even exist before I ran this thing. There we go. Now let's cd back into build. If I stop responding, I'm probably passed out. Thank you for the heads up. Okay, let's reconfigure. Okay, is there any errors in this? It doesn't look like it. Because everything is pre-installed. Creating config status. Creating makefile. Okay. Can we make? No. Still giving me errors. Can I just, like, move on? Is it gonna throw more errors? Oh, yeah. Is not happy. Is very not happy. Bro, what the heck? It was going so good until we got to you, Ben Utils. And of course, it's the freaking last one. Besides GCC Pass 2. Here, I'm gonna look it up. Make error Ben Utils second pass LFS. Second pass error during make. Okay. Run into a compilation error. Did you build lib stdcc and install it? What did your version check sh report about your host system's installation of Bison and Yak? Those were all fine for me. Just open a root console on your host and run this user bin yak -- version. Other possible issues was that $path and $LFS, LFS target, LC all, because this is easy to miss. Source / dot bash _ profile at the end of setting up the user LFS. Yeah, all those are fine for me. What the hell? Turns out that Ben Utils had failed to build on the first pass due to Flex not existing on the system. Correct version of Bison was installed, and correct version of Yak was installed. That was the correct Symlink version. So is it big? Bruh. Is it an archway to new issue? ALFS, please. You'll learn the rest when making the custom packages. Yeah, I think Ben Utils got screwed up the first time. That sucks. Okay, well, what if we go to Ben Utils Pass 1 and we try again. Let's try and do this. First package compiled, both glibc and gcc perform various tests, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Oh, great. My internet's freaking crapping out again. Hooray. Hopefully it'll go back to normal. Stream lag for a few seconds. Yeah. Oh, it's at yellow. Okay, we're back. It's at green. We're good. We are good. Please no. Why? Shouldn't hurt anything. Ben Utils. Okay. I mean, it doesn't hurt to try. Okay. Not the PTSD. What is this YouTube emoji? Bro, YouTube has some wild emojis. Oh, not the lag. Okay. I see. Okay, because if we can get this first thing to compile correctly, then the second pass should be fine. At least to my logic. I don't know if that's actually what's going to go down. Make install. Okay, hopefully that worked. So let's try this again. Okay. Everything seemed to be fine. About to find out once we run this make, though. Nope. Still errored out. I don't know why. Everything compiled correctly the first time. I don't see... Hold on, let me scroll all the way up from where I ran that command. Oh my god, it just keeps going. Okay. Need to take a look at the pre-release Windows versions and make for a lazy video idea. That's true. I could do that. I've got a lot of stuff in the ideas bin in my Notion that I wanna get through. Wouldn't hurt to add some stuff though. Yeah, all this looks fine. Why is it tweaking out when I try and do the second pass of bin utils? It's really annoying. 'Cause everything looks fine. Which makes it twice as annoying. I think I'm yawning so much because I haven't talked this much in a while. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything that's like that would cause a problem. I don't see any errors. Everything looks fine. I don't get it. Because why wouldn't everything break? That's exactly my luck. I don't... That's always been my luck, just like in real life. Not even just YouTube stuff. Just like, everything looks good. Okay, how about we just crash everything into the ground and make everything a giant mess? That has been the luck in my life so far. Okay. Yeah, see, like this libc tf stuff and all that is fine. Nothing to be done for install, blah, blah, blah. Which in theory means that it's fine, and there's nothing to do because it's fine. Somebody said doesn't always fail. I've had bugs show up later, went back and rebuilt without parallel, and it was fine. I find the biggest issue in the temporary tools where I don't run tests. Okay, Stack Overflow. Let's see if this thread has anything. Have you considered switching to the latest stable version of LFS? What is Binutils 2.27 compile? Okay, this guy's just being pretentious and an overstack or an over whatever the stack overflow thing. Pretty stereotypical. Okay, that's when I tried to run or was it? Oh yeah, that's when I ran the make command. Oh, come on, man. This is quite annoying. Yeah, this is the most recent one, 2.44. Yeah, this guy was doing it with 2.27. Pretty sure you're reusing the build directory from pass 1, which is most likely going to cause some problems. I'd move build out of the way, build.old or something, and then do step 6.17 again from the top. Well, maybe not the top. You need to redo the sed if you've done that. Yes, this is second pass. Can you please explain in more detail about moving the build out of the way? Oh, so this person says, thank you for your answer, but after a reboot, it got fixed by itself for some reason. Okay, so should I reboot? Oh god, do we reboot? Literally have fans with metal blades and our mini jet engines? Bro, that sounds terrifying. Yes? Hold on. Let me pull up the actual YouTube chat so I can start a poll. Okay. Let's start a poll. Restart to fix error? Question mark? Yes. No. Start poll. That's because they can draw over 15 kilowatts of power? Jesus Christ. All right, guys, answer in the poll in the YouTube chat. If you're in the regular stream, if you're in the vertical stream, you're not gonna see it, but vote in the poll if I should restart to see if that fixes the error. Oh my gosh, dude. And if you're in the vertical chat and you want to come over to the regular stream just to vote, that's fair. But if that doesn't work, then I guess we can rename the build folder build.old and then have another build folder for the second pass of VenueTils like they said in the thing. Does that not defeat the purpose of the second pass to be made in the same folder, though? I also don't know if I want huge problems or Dell. I mean, Dell is better for like enterprise or like server use. I HP has just like fallen off a cliff for me. It's like get an HP for like your grandma that needs a low powered laptop or something. You know? You know what I mean? Okay, so the consensus seems to be that we should restart. Okay. So let's restart. Okay. Let's go ahead and restart. Very nice. We are waiting for it to come back up. Boy, what the hell, boy? Is that a Windows logo? No, this is Linux. I also have... Oh, look, it's showing up in the proper aspect ratio. Very cool. Uh-oh. We have the same problem as before. Uh-oh, we have the same problem as before. Okay, well, at least I know how to fix it. Okay. We nano, and then, what was it? Bash RC, something like that. Oh, whoops. Was that not the right file? Did you uncomment the stuff in fstab? Yes, I did. I tried to put it back to how it was. ETC fstab, bro. Okay. I didn't remember if it was bash RC or not. Okay. It was fstab. I did not remember correctly. Oh, my eye is itchy. Itchy, itchy. Okay. Now we do this. Now we do this. Then we do this. We do this. Then we do this. Then we do this. And then we exit. There we go. Fstab is only read on boot. Oh, okay, gotcha. Use for automatic mounting. We don't need that for now. Cool. Okay. Okay, this can get out of here. You go over here. You go over here. And then we LFS. Alright. And then we CD back into LFS. Uh-oh. Hold on. Let me go back to hold on. Is it even mounted? Whoop. Gotta add the S. Okay, yeah, it's still mounted. Why didn't it? Okay, maybe I have to remount it. The screen tear is back? Oh, yeah. Is it? I think it went away. We're good. Okay. And this has to be SDA3. Do bump bump. So LFS is not in the sudoers file. Okay, well then do this. Oh, gotcha. I see. SDA3. Can't find. Oh, this is why I changed fstab. Because was required to be uncommented to be able to find it in when I need it to mount the thingy. Permission denied. Okay. How do I just exit? No. Bro. Oh, whoops. Never mind, I did that wrong. To do. And then nano etc fstab. There we go. Okay. Then I just need to uncomment that. And then that should be good. And then we can mount. Must be super user to mount. Okay. We do sudo. Okay, it's been mounted to mount LFS. Very cool. This Arch system is on live support. It'll be alright. Okay. Now we're good. LFS. Okay. And now let's CD into our directory. Great, it's still not there. Error at line 5. Well, what's line 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. I have to comment this guy out again? And then uncomment these? I think this is probably why I did that. Okay. Now let's do that. Okay, now we don't get any errors. Now let's sue LFS. Now, let's... Okay. What have you done to this poor Linux? I didn't do anything, bro. You commented out your boot drive? What? Well, whatever was commented out is what you told me to comment out. Okay, I'm just gonna do it like that then. Or are you talking about this? Oh yeah, that's my boot one. Then we can just comment that guy out. Okay, well, that still doesn't explain why I can't get into this. This should already be done, but... Set the owner and permission mode of the LFS directory root and 755 in case the host distro has been configured to use a different default from makeFS. Rule number, whatever for Linux is, never let a beginner touch the F stab. Why still no worky? I still don't know why this isn't. Still don't know why this doesn't like me. Why it won't let me go into my partitions. Partitions. That is quite annoying. Fallback, it has no fallback except for network drives. I see. If it can't mount something, it will automatically go to rescue mode. I see. But my SDA3 is my EXT4, and I'm mounting that to the LFS thing. Oh my gosh. Okay, it says dev SDA3 mounted on mount LFS. So now, if I CD to LFS, it does nothing. Fantastic. What is even happening? Okay, well, everything's in here. Need to use LS. Oh yeah, that's probably be good. Hold on. What? I'm gonna go to the LFS user. Doesn't list anything. Okay, yeah, then I need to be in this one. Oh my gosh, I forgot that RMDIR only does empty directories. What? Did we like irreparably damage this arch install? Is gone? Why? I don't see what you're seeing apparently. Whoops, I got caps lock on. Okay, so it said 5 and 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this does need to be commented out. 6, 7, 8. This needs to be commented out. Okay. Come on, dude. It's fixable, but none of us have the skills to fix this. Okay, there we go. Now I don't get all that other crap. That's mounted. Last entry in FSTAB should be replaced from SDA to SDA1. What is our SDA1 again? Is that that swap? Or no, that's our EFI. 2 is swap, isn't it? Okay. Yeah, it's our boot partition. Okay. Oops. Okay, wait, I think I know the issue. Okay. There we go. Okay, now we can CD to LFS. There we go. CD into sources. There we go. Okay, we're so back. Do a fresh install of Ubuntu and do ALFS. I want you to give up so bad. This is just a lost cause. It's not a lost cause. We're back. We're so back. You're just freaking out. You're just freaking out, man. Everything's fine here. Okay. So that is good that it says that. That's why it says build a separate build directory. So do I build a build directory inside of build? Is that what it's telling me to do? Or no? No, it's not. Okay. So how do I... What's the command again to rename a folder? Or actually, you know what? I'll just do it through Dolphin. Sources, venutils, build. I can't rename. I guess I don't have permissions. MV? Doesn't that just move it though? Oh wait, I'm not even in. Oh wait, yes I am. MV moves it though. I want to rename it. Yes, but it's a way to rename? Okay. Do I have to do like the name that it is and then the name that I want it to be? Is that the syntax for this? Or do I need the slash or something? And then do it like build.old? Okay, that'll work. Got him. Okay, let's try this again. Move and then source and destination. Okay, I figured. Okay, we continue like nothing ever happened. Nothing even happened. I don't even know what you guys are talking about. What are you talking about? See, look, it's fine. It's perfectly fine. Please, for the love of ducks, work. So, absolutely true. I just want this to work. Well, it's definitely taking a bit longer than it did last time. We can always keep our fingers crossed. We can keep our fingers crossed. Hey, if you guys are in the vertical stream, say what's up. Hello. You guys are pretty quiet over there. What's going on over there? If you guys are in the regular stream, say what's up. You guys are pretty quiet. Please. I need validation. I wish there was a script to check if anything has gone wrong. I agree. What's up, Midnight? Hello. How are you doing? I think there's one person here. It says I got 5 people on the regular stream and then 4 in the vertical. Everybody's just being sneaky lurkers. They're being quiet. Being oh so quiet. Hey, look at that. It worked. It actually worked this time. Turns out restarting and putting it in a separate build folder actually works. Okay. Let's go back. Go back. And then rm benutils.tar. Okay, we're done with benutils now. Following the guide worked. Can you believe it? Wow. Who would have thought? As in the first build of GCC, these packages are required. Unpack the tar balls and then move them into the required directories. Okay, so I guess I have to cd. I should already have GCC. Yeah, just gotta go into here. There's no need to extract it again. This is the second pass. I can just do all of that. Yes, sir. If building on x86 64, which I am, change the 64-bit libraries to lib. Will do. Override the building rule of libgcc and libstdc ++ headers to allow building these libraries with POSIX thread support. All right. There you go. Create a separate build directory. It's probably going to tell me that there's already a build directory in here. Can I create? Yep, file exists. Okay. Let's do the same thing. Move build. Oh, am I in the build? Oh, yeah, I'm in the build directory. Okay. Build. Then we'll name you, not beold, build.old. Okay, there we go. Then we redo that command. Okay, now we're in the new build directory. And then we configure for compilation. Yeehaw. We're moving along just nicely. How about that? I hate Godot. If there's one person in here or not, 5 people in chat and 1 people watching. That's what it says. It says I have 5 concurrent viewers. I don't know. Why does the timeline work in some YouTube streams and not in others? I don't know. I've never had an issue with it, to be honest. Maybe it's because you freaking do all this crazy shit with your devices. That could be a thing, you know. I will be right back, guys. Had to unmute my mic. I'm back. Hello, hello. How the freaky are we doing, bros? Anybody who's new just popping in, what's going on? What the frick are ya? I had to go do a little bit of laundry. And I'm eating candy. Let's go. Jolly Rancher Chews, bro. These things are freaking good. I left and this thing's still running. Well, GCC is pretty chunky. Yeah, 5.5 gigs. We're going to be here a while. I did my laundry earlier. Hi, by the way, Moilu. Oh, the comforter that I wanted to wash for my bed takes like 3 hours to like fully clean and dry because it's so big. Because I have a king size mattress. It takes forever to clean that thing. Candy on a Monday, how dare you? It's still Sunday for me, baby. Still Sunday to me, or for me. Let's go, dude. Dude, I'm so happy that the YouTube emojis actually work in this thing. I'm so happy about that. It's freaking legit. And if you guys are on the vertical stream, you have no idea what I'm talking about. Yeah, dude, my my laptop fans are going a little turbo right now. Compiling GCC. We get a little crazy here. We get a little crazy. Oh, do you guys like my probably can't hear me, but do you guys like my Gengar shirt? I got it yesterday at the mall. I catch up. It's freaking sick. Compiling GCC, by the way. Yes, sir. You're darn tootin', we're compiling GCC, buddy. Sick shirt. Thank you. And also using Arch, by the way. You know, I'm somewhat of a Giga Chad. Me when you compiled the compiler. Have you taken a look at Olama? Oyama, however you pronounce that? No. I don't even know what that is. Oh. Oh. We're slowing down a little bit. My laptop sounds like it's about to take off. Is not happy. It's an AI chatbot manager? Oh, I gotcha. I see, I see. Well, I don't have too many people in here, so my chat is pretty fine. Plus, if you guys get rowdy, I can just ban or time you out from this, like, this little widget thingy that I have in OBS. If this was Gen 2, it would already been in the sky. You're not wrong. You're very much not wrong. Guys, I'm being bad. I'm eating candy before dinner. The joys of being an adult. Welcome to CPU Airlines. What did Floppa mean by that? Compiling GCC is making my laptop fans go crazy. So he's saying if I was compiling Gen 2, they would have been spinning so fast it would have flew off into the sky. It's a very fair assessment to make. I don't feel bad. I snack on peanut butter M&Ms. Candy's just so good. It's so good. I've heard that people from around the world who have never had American candy, and then they have American candy, and it's like the most sugary, most chemical thing that they've ever tasted. Please confirm if this is true. If you're not American and have had American candy, it's an addiction. Yes, it actually is. Server fans would probably be powerful enough to lift that laptop. You're probably right. I wouldn't be surprised if that was true. Fans on my R520 can draw 40 watts each. Some cracked out fans. That was my last piece of candy. I'm sad. Windows alone would cost that too. An idle. Oh God. GCC is a little hung up. Oh God, the screen tearing is back. You guys weren't lying. Oh God. Oh God. You guys see that freeze up? $16,000 RPM. What the freaky dude? A candy, the original crack. That's pretty accurate. Should I be concerned that this has stalled? I mean, or is this like normal for GCC since it's so beefy? I don't know. I'm just Windows user. So loud, your ears hurt even if you're downstairs. Jesus. It's fine. Give it some time. Okay, cool. All you guys are freaking out for nothing. It's fine. Oh, there it goes. See? I told you guys you're freaking out for nothing. Server might as well fly. Imagine if we had flying servers. That's real cloud computing right there. Needs more candy. I need more candy. Because you know what? Matter of fact, I got saltwater taffy. Let's get a good flavor. There's these like peppermint ones that I'm like obsessed with. They're so good. No, guys, I'm not diabetic. It's gonna fly anytime soon. It weighs 20 kilos and really good at making holes in the wall, breaking your back. That thing sounds dangerous. You can always count on Gboard to screw you up. The reason why Ubuntu is unstable, though, is because they only focus on enterprise. Ubuntu server is actually polished on, like, desktop. Yeah. I mean, it's fine. Death by candy overdose. Probably. I don't believe you. What did I say? I literally don't remember what I said for like the past 2 minutes. I think I'm like actually addicted to candy. What is this one? Pear flavor. Okay. Let's try the pear flavor. My preferred way to die. Tried to install Ubuntu server. Couldn't do it since the installer crashed every time. Wow. Ooh, this one's good. I don't know what distro I have on my oh wait, no. I know. So not even server is safe. I guess not. It might just depend on your hardware. But my Zima board servers that Ice Whale sent me, they both just run Casa OS, which is a it's a fork of another OS, but I don't remember which one. Bro. I think maybe X11 is the issue for screen tearing. No, it's probably the capture card, to be honest. Hold on, let me check something on my streaming PC. Capture card. Match output FPS. Okay. Screen tearing should be gone now. Yeah, there we go. Screen tearing gone. Floppa, that's quite unfortunate. We're getting somewhere, at least. This looks good. It's checking everything, so we should be done soon, most likely. Okay, it's creating its config status. Means it should be pretty close to being done. And then I actually have to install it. CasaOS is based on Debian? Yeah, that's what it is. I forgot. I knew it was on one of those, like, main, like, what do you call it? Mainstream distros. I figured. Guys, make this go faster. Type faster in the chat. We can maybe make it go faster. Everyone, we must make it go faster. Faster. I have zero clue, but I have a really salty relationship with Debian. It's always been really stubborn on real hardware. Ah, I see. Hey, we're finally done. Now we can actually install. Now this is going to take forever. Then we got to do this bottom thing. If it went faster, the stream would be too short. There we go. Installing wasn't too bad. It was the freaking compilation. Okay. So now we've made a link. Now that is labeled as GCC. Okay. Now we can go back. And then GCC. Get rid of that. Okay. I've had issues from it just not supporting my motherboard chipset and GPU and outdated packages. It makes running specific applications impossible and much more. Yeah, that sounds pretty bad. Probably the only person to ever hate Debian. Yeah, I mean, I've never had problems with it. Okay. I don't think we've ever been this far when I was doing everything the first time. Okay. All right, guys, you're probably going to hate me, but dinner's ready, and I'm a hungry man. So, unfortunately, I'm going to have to go because I want to eat dinner, and I'm hungry. So, my apologies. I know it was kind of a shorter stream. Like I said, I've been so freaking busy this weekend. I'm tired. I at least wanted to give you guys something. Thank God. Wow, okay, you guys really want me to get out of here. God damn it. But yeah, I know it was a shorter stream. Yeah, like I said, been busy, so I wanted to at least give you guys something because I haven't made a video for like the past couple weeks, so I figured these streams will be a good substitute for leaving you guys with no content, like videos and stuff. So, yeah, trying my best to have stuff for you guys to watch and stay entertained, at least somehow. So yeah, that is gonna do it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, I'm gonna go. Gonna relax. Gonna eat. Hope you guys have a great rest of your night, day, afternoon, whatever it is for you, wherever you guys are in the world. Hope it's a good whatever time it is. And yeah, I guess I will see you guys either next video or next stream, whichever one comes first. Yeah, see you guys later.